everybody, I just wanted to hop back on here again. So if you were paying attention to the last video, you might have noticed that the actuator, the mark that I was telling you to look at, mine was outside of these two indicators here, which this represents the range in which the actuator should move. If yours has broken off like mine has, it's quite possible that this actuator has moved outside of the normal operating range, and you're going to have a tough time getting that back on to that. So the way that you fix that's not too hard. Use a flathead screwdriver, pop the tabs off on this housing. Mine has 5. But you're going to want to remove the center gear, and when you remove that center gear, you're going to be able to spin this gear as well. That's kind of it. Just make sure you've got it lined up. Really, if the mark falls in between, if your mark falls in between these two indicators, you're gonna have no problem getting it back on to here. But yeah, just wanted to give that little update in case anybody was having that same problem. If your door broke, I'm sure you're in the same boat as I am. But good luck with the repair. Hopefully it's not too hot where you're at.